In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Zoom microphone. If you want to make sure people can hear you clearly before a meeting, Zoom has a simple built-in way to check that your microphone is working properly. This is especially helpful if you are using a new headset, an external microphone, or if you have had audio issues in the past. Taking a moment to test your microphone ahead of time can help you avoid awkward interruptions and make your meetings go much more smoothly. To begin, open Zoom and look toward the top right area of the window. You will see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several app options, and the one you need for this process is the settings area. Once the menu appears, click on Settings. This will open the main settings window, where Zoom lets you control things like video, notifications, and audio devices. Since we want to test your microphone, the next step is to go into the audio section. In the settings window, click on Audio. This is where Zoom manages both your speakers and your microphone. In this section, you can usually see which microphone Zoom is currently set to use. If you have more than one microphone connected to your device, this area is important because it helps you confirm that the correct one is selected. Now click on Test Mic or the microphone test option shown in the audio settings. Zoom will guide you through a quick microphone test so you can hear whether your voice is being picked up clearly. Usually, you will be asked to speak for a few seconds, and then Zoom will play the recording back to you. Listen carefully to make sure your voice sounds clear, at a good volume, and without too much background noise. If the playback sounds too quiet, unclear, or distorted, stay in the same audio settings area and check that the correct microphone is selected. You may also want to speak a little closer to the microphone or reduce background noise in the room before testing again. That's all it takes to test your microphone in Zoom. It's a quick step, but it can make a big difference in your meeting quality and confidence before you join a call. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.